This week will be a big week for Kaizer Chiefs and every club uh, that will be doing transfers. So let's break down what will happen this week, and also I've got some updates on some players like Faisal Salum, players like Duduzim Tanzani departing, and players like Riff Frosler. So please stay tuned to the video and watch the whole video. So let's jump straight into the video. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Amakhosi Stand Podcast. This is where uyithola khona zishisa. Guys, iy'ndaba engineza zona ngisuke sengiyenzile investigation, ngisuke ngiyenzele i-research yami, and ngenza sure ukuthi they are 90 or 95% accurate. So they must be not true, but they are 90% accurate. There's this 10% of not being accurate. So please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe. Thank you for subscribing, and join my membership if you can. Just pay 30 rand a month just to support the channel, so I can get good equipment such as the mic. This mic is too small, and sometimes it gives me problems. Also a camera and a light. Please support me. Today news will start off by confirming that Duduzim Tanzani is leaving Kaizer Chiefs. There have been an official announcement, as I told you in yesterday's video, that Duduzim Tanzania will go. Now it is confirmed he has departed at the Naturen. So asibona ukuthi uzoyapha umuntu umdansane mayisuka la. I can't lie, the guy didn't give us too much. He didn't give us what we expected from him. He only played 16 games, and then injuries. Yeah, nothing interesting about him. Another guy that I will talk about today is the guy by the name of Riff Frosler. So apparently my sources are telling me that Riff Frosler have signed a new contract with Kaizer Chiefs. So this means Frosler is staying. So this would be a big week for Kaizer Chiefs and other club to make announcement. As we saw earlier today, our neighbors have made some announcements in their technical. So angikho ukubona mina ngila ku Riff Frosler. The guy will be signing a contract of 3 years plus an option to extend. These news are 90% accurate, so 10% might not be true. So guys, be aware. The Riff Frosler is staying. Dylan Solomon is not yet confirmed if he is staying or not. So let's see what happens in the next coming days. Maybe tomorrow they will announce new things like a new contract extension. Still in contract extension, the other guy who has been given a contract is Zita Kwinika. He's 31 years old. He played very well towards the end of the season, and they decided to give him a contract. If ubungabuzwa noma ubani in the starting of the season and in the middle of the season last season ukuthi do you want to keep Kwinika or sell him, majority of you guys would say sell him, and I'm one of you. I would sell Zita Kwinika. But towards the end of the season, the guy showed up and played with all of his heart. Let's hope ukuthi mayeqeda ukuvuselela i-contract yakhe he won't back down, and the only way is up for him. Let's hope so. Another guy that might be departing from Kaizer Chiefs is Coach Machi. So Coach Machi Safi is a strength and conditioning coach. I'll post him here so you can see him. This guy is wanted by Wydad Casablanca. He's wanted by he worked there before coming to Kaizer Chiefs as a strength and conditioning coach. So let's see what happens if Kaizer Chiefs can keep him or they will allow him to go. But for me, I would like Kaizer Chiefs to keep him so we won't have to start again next season scouting for new people, bringing old strength and conditioning coach. There's this Dlagela guy, there's Lomchisa. Yeah, I don't want us to go there. So let's hope Kaizer Chiefs will uh, will keep this guy, Machi Safi. He's wanted lapha we waited. Right now I'm about to talk about a guy osijabulisa sonke siyi-Kaizer Chiefs esimfuna ngale ndlela exakile. The guy is Faisal Salum. Before I talk about him, please make sure you subscribe and join my channel just to support, guys. You see what I'm struggling. I'm recording with a small mic and a small light. Please subscribe and join so that I can get some good quality equipment so I can deliver a clean content to you guys. So please, this week we might see Faisal Salum at Kaizer Chiefs. Also, we might not see Faisal Salum at Kaizer Chiefs. The deal might happen and the deal might collapse, but the player is keen for a move to Kaizer Chiefs, and I believe the Azam the Tanzanian league is finished now. So they were waiting for the league to finish. Now the league is finished. The talks are continuing with the guy. So I don't know if Kaizer Chiefs management they will go in Tanzania or Faisal Salum representatives will come in South Africa to finish the deal. So I won't confirm anything right now, but I can confirm that this week the talks will be advanced with Faisal Salum to join Kaizer Chiefs. As we saw in past couple of days, the guy was busy posting Kaizer Chiefs stuff. Um, Live exhumana nabalandeli be-Kaizer Chiefs. Let's see what will happen because the guy will love to come to Kaizer Chiefs. Let's see if Kaizer Chiefs can pay the sum of Faisal Salum to come to Naturen. That's all I can say right now. Nothing has been confirmed. Ningabe-ke senisilapha kuma-comment I'm giving you fake news. I am saying Faisal Salum is not yet confirmed, but this week will be a crucial week for this deal to happen or not happen. So let's see what's happened. Let's just wait, and I will keep on informing you guys what will happen with this guy. So please make sure you comment down in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to the channel. Tell me what do you think about the departure of Mduduzi Mdantsane, the new contract of Riv Frosler, and do you really want Coach Machi Safi to go, or you want him to stay? Tell me what do you think about Zitsa Kunika's new contract, and also stay tuned for Faisal Salum. More things, more news are coming. Thank you for watching. Danko.